In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Instagram account. For all those people who think that their account might have been hacked, and for all those people who have forgotten their passwords, this is the video that is going to help. The first step is to open up your browser and go to instagram.com. Over here you have to click on login. Just below the login button, you'll see an option of forgot password. You have to click on this option. A new page will load. Now over here you have to type in your email or the username that is associated with your account. Now you have to click on reset password. After you have done all these steps, an email will be sent to your email address by Instagram. Now I'll show you. Open up your email app and over here you'll see that Instagram has sent you an email. Now after you're going to click the reset password button in your email, you will be taken to a new screen where you will be asked to type in a new password. And this is how you can recover your Instagram account, and you can also change your Instagram password. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.